Hi there. Today is 19th of June 2026. Time is 12:36. I'm here in near West Drayton, near Heathrow. That tunnel is quite a lot of Indian. Another Indian is coming. Indian is coming. They have chosen that tunnel. Yesterday I was going there. There was a Afghani woman with Mother Isa, a young gangster Afghani white boy with the rucksack. I have a. She was wearing a Superman or Spider-Man. That all they got. And yesterday I was coming. The 13th of June. I made a video about my brother. They brought it. There were many jacks, not only Israeli jack, uh, Indian jack, Pakistani jack, British jack. We will talk about her later on. Jacks, underworld, sport teams, cars in the shopping center, not in car park, ambassadors. There were three gangsters. Bora Muslim, white cloth, not black cloth, white souls, wearing Ya Hussain, going to the hotel. They were onto me. That Indians were onto me. I'm pretty sure. Wearing rucksack, green emotion, and here going to stay in this hotel, Holiday Inn. And there was a car there. The people who truly follow Shia religion, they will be offended. There was a car there, Israeli map, written Israeli map shape of shoes, written Ya Hussain. I don't know which angle it will go. Here, and these were gangsters staying in this hotel. Every day I'm going to mosque today for Friday prayer. See what happened. How many jacks there? Cars, teams, ambassadors. Every day I go through. Holiday Inn Academy meet. This car is waiting for nothing. Standing there. Someone. I was there. Look, he was waiting. Car park. No, sorry, zebra. For unusually, there was no one there. Car over there, the silver car. There are some people, I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I do actually. People gonna say that someone was saying on 13th of June 2026. Someone put a comment on it. You are upstairs. Is something wrong with upstairs? Upstairs or up in the head? Then very next day, Donald Trump was saying, we will shoot Iranians' head. If something wrong with it, Donald Trump was saying. Speaking about Iranian and Indian, the Indians have a barter trade with the Iranian oil. They used to have that trade, barter trade with Russia. I was actually supposed to say USSR, Soviet Union. They used to have that trade, barter trade. They used to sell the commodities and they buy and not via dollar. Dollar were there, but it was more barter. You have to buy commodities. So they have Indian and Iranians have the same agreement. Iranians sell oil and then the payment is in a barter trade. Barter, Iranians have to buy Indian goods and stuff. That's why 2014 there was Indian Shias were there. Indian Shias are quite excited. Irani spy or Israeli jack? Irani jack. Too many cars. I will especially talk. There was too much things happened. 2014, I even talked about it. 4th May, I think the video I put it up. Briefly, I talked about it. About Ilan Umar and Above Dala, Pharaoh's one. 4th May. Okay, I think that should be enough. So why Donald Trump talk to Indians about barter trade? Lots of here are British visa. They especially came in this hotel. Afghani political asylum woman was there over the tunnel. I don't know which one. Was tunnel something is there reported nowadays. Aircraft landed Texas. There's motorway. Fatal accident. Fatal crash actually in the news. Texas highway, not motorway, they say over there. Aircraft landed, crash landing on the motorway. I don't know what possible connections can be with the solar city, not with me. Anyways, I think that's enough. We will talk about later. Please, my international, in case anyone, actually some people viewing it, but I'm talking more to do with the dark web, not YouTube audience. Please, you need to know, wherever you're from, India, Pakistan, Israel, Palestine, you can talk to me up front. That's what my whole point of it, not via dark web. They are special, the minute I'm talking, they already getting updated. I haven't put it up and uploaded to the YouTube. He knew it. Who's gonna give them all that access? Allah will give them, God will give them, a devil, I don't know. G0 definitely control it. Bye bye.